guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another sexy lingerie ang ating i-haul ang review for today. So without further ado, let's begin. Ito yung ating new collection for today. At panty, look at this. Wow, nice. Adjust natin siya. So this is my new collection. Ito po naka-embroidered na pagkaganda-ganda, green ang kulay. Pero yung material niya, look at this, very see-through, para siyang fishnet. Tapos, yung niya dito, nakalagay ng bulaklak. Alam nyo, mahirap itong gawin sa embroidered, pero nagawa nilang napakaganda. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang quality. So, sa likod din, ganyan din, green ang kulay. Ayan, fishnet din, pero hindi katulad nitong sa harap na siya, white color, pero dito green, na para di siyang fishnet. So kapag tingnan natin yung kanyang tahi dito sa ayan wow, nice. Napaka nice ng pagkagawa nito. Good quality. Look at this, ang ganda. Wow, perfect. Perfect ang quality. And this is medium size. At ito naman ay siyempre hindi pwede ito i-washing. Kailangan hand wash lang po ito. And this is thong panty. The color is so good. Beautiful. And the combination of color, tingnan mo, yung para siyang this is a, orange or pink or red. This is red na may green. This is so sexy and beautiful. Look at this. Wow. And this is a back view. Thong panty po ito. Doon sa mga may almo, ay alam nyo na. Thong panty ito. At this is a perfect crotch. Meron siyang lining. Kaya cotton lining na talagang hindi naman safe naman yung ating private part. Kaya lang, alam nyo na, ipit-ipit ng kaunti kasi napakaliit lang po nito. So, kapag i-rate natin siya ng 1 to 10, perfect 10 ang ating ibibigay dahil look at this, so beautiful and sexy. Look at that. The quality, the style, good. So that is for today for our sexy G-string green thong panty. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.